Hey guys, before you watch this video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and also like the video. And when you like the video, YouTube will recommend my video to other people. So please like the video. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'll be talking on condition. Uh, so for condition, I try to bring them out as a separate concept so I can explain them separately. But it's something that you see yourself using even without knowing. So for example, let's say I had something like this is 5 less than 5 is a condition. 5 equal 5 is a condition. Those conditions are used together with operators. So we're going to go over some operators to test conditions. So the operators we're going over are the less than sign, greater than sign, less than equal to, greater than equal to, the equal to sign, not equal to sign, which is one exclamation mark here. And go over the and or operator. I'm going to use the rice and beans analogy to explain the and operator. So let's get started. So let's first initialize our serial monitor. So now if I were to do serial.print 5 less than 5, what do you think I'm going to get on my serial monitor? I got a 0. Yes, what that means is that 0 there means false, which is correct, meaning that 5 is not less than 5. It will also give us a false, but that's not true. That's how we got 0. But if I were to do 5 less than equal to 5, now we get it true. Is that less than or equal to, at least it's equal to 5, that's why it returns it true. So we can also do this, so we can also try. Now if I were to put 6 here, obviously we'll get the false, which is 0. Because we'll try if we is greater than or equal to, now we should get true. So what other operators are not tested yet? So the equal to sign, just to check if two values are the same. I put an equal to sign here. This checks if 6 is equal to 5. As it gives us 0 because 6 is not equal to 5. But I will change this 5 here to 6. We should get a 1, indicating that it is true. Now let's check. Let's try the not equal to. 6 is not equal to. That's what we're going to get. 6 is not equal to 6, which is obviously a 4 because 6 is equal to 6. Now let's put a 7, then see whether we're going to get it true. Yes, we got true. See, because 6 is not equal to 7. So it's a very easy concept, this condition. So now let's go into the and or operators. So I'm going to use the rice and beans analogy. If you have done some maths in your high school days, you must have done something like logic. So in logic, you have your and or statement, where I can remember. But here in computer science and coding, we call them and or operators. In electronics, we have and or gates. So let's create some Boolean variables. So polarize, as in that one. Beans. So this, I hope this analogy will help you understand what the and or operator do. So what they actually do is that they compare two booleans. So if one of the boolean is not true, it's going to give you a false. Two of them have to be true at the same time to give you true. That's why that and there. So for example, I go to a restaurant and I said, give me rice and beans. And I said, they don't have beans. That means I can't get my rice and beans anymore. That will return a false, so I can't get it. So if I just come here, rice, let's put our and, I got the ampersand sign, rice and beans. Now if rice was available but there's no beans, that means I can't get my rice and beans, so change our beans to 0. Now if we were to run this, let's see, so you get the 0 because and the two of them have to be true. That means the two have to be true. That means two of them have to be available. But I literally said I want rice and beans. I did not say I want just rice. I want just beans. Now if I go to the restaurant and they don't have rice and they don't have beans, I will still not get anything because I can't still get my rice and beans because none of them are available. So if rice and beans is 0 0, we will still get false, which is 0. The only time you can get true is when both of them are available and both rice and beans are available. You see it got true here. So that's basically how the AND operator work. Now for the OR operator, it's kind of intuitive, you get the hang of it. So OR, if I said I want rice or beans, that means if there's no rice, give me beans. If there's no beans, give me rice. So as far as one of them is available, it will return true. So let's say I want to buy rice or beans. I don't have beans. That means I'm going to eat rice. So there's still something for me to eat. So I'll get 1. The same thing happens if it's 0 and beans was 1. If there's no rice and there's beans, we still get a 1. The only time I can get false is when there's no rice and there's no beans. I can't get anything again. So that will obviously be false. But as far as one of them is true, get true. Why for the AND operator, both of them have to be true to get true. So that's all for this video. I don't try to just separate this concept out so you guys can understand it. So we're going to use conditionals in conjunction with statements. So you can do if rice or beans, do something. If rice and beans, do something. Or if this switch is on and that other switch is off, do this. If this switch is off and this switch is off, do this. So see you guys in my next video.
Hope you didn't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend my videos to other people. So it works like this: when I have a lot of likes, then YouTube recommends my video to other people. And also when you hit the notification bell icon there, you will be reminded anytime I post a new video. So please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, also hit the notification bell. You can also share the videos to your friends who might be interested. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.